Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Mygolf account in Ireland so that you can log in and check your handicap under the World Handicap system. So first go to the Golf Ireland website and click Mygolf Login. So on the desktop, you'll see it at the top right. On mobile, you'll find it inside the menu. And when the login page opens, look for the green box and click the sign up link to begin. Next, enter your 8-digit card number and your 4-digit PIN. So both found on the back of your member card. After that, accept the terms and click next. And then you'll then create your password. Make sure it has at least 8 characters, includes one number or symbol, and has one uppercase letter. So once that's done, enter your email address in both boxes and continue. You'll receive an email with an activation link. Open it, click the link, and your account will be ready. Then go back to the Golf Ireland website and log in with the details that you created. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.